Today, I will teach you how you can use Filmora Elements in your video. Some elements are given by Filmora. Other you can download it from any website like Pixabay. Let's take a start. Open the Filmora. Click Sample Color. Select black color. Add this line. Click the mouse left button and move to the right side. Click Elements and scroll this. Different elements. Select this arrow element. Grab arrow drops arrow this line. Double click on the arrow. Open Elements Settings. Click Transform. Click Rotate all directions. Click Flip to change the opposite direction. Click Scale and resize the image. Position, select X numbers. Click the mouse left button to move the right and left arrows. Select the Y button. Click the mouse left button moves up and down the arrow. Click Compositing. Select Blending Mode Normal. Click Opacity. We can increase and decrease the transparency arrow. Click Animations. Select Fade Out Animation. Select Pause Animation. Here these are many of them. You can use any type of animation which you want for your video action. So, this was the Filmora Elements setting. Hit subscribe button, and ask any question in the comment section. See you in the next video.